Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in the 2025 Volvo V60 T8 Recharge Polestar Engineered. I have been waiting to get a video on the V60 Recharge for a while. It's one of my favorite cars on sale today. I absolutely love this car. It is one of my dream daily driving cars. Like, if you ask me what I would like to daily drive, it would be this. I love the styling, I love the interior, I love the hybrid setup, 477 horsepower, or what exactly the number is. This is such an awesome car. I love the gold seat belts, and I love the fact that nobody knows what it is. Only car people know what this is, but most people just think it's a regular Volvo, or a cool, good-looking Volvo. Oh, this is a good-looking Volvo, but they don't know how fast it is, they don't know what it is, and it's so rare. I love the rarity. Interior is amazing, all the materials are great. The gold seatbelts, as I said, I love them. You have the Orforce Sweden crystal gear shifter, one of my favorite shifters in the industry. If you see my other Volvo videos, I always make a comment on that. And driving dynamics, you have hybrid, Polestar, pure, and constant all-wheel drive. We're gonna go in Polestar mode for this drive. You have pilot assist. Like, I would proudly drive this car. I love this car so much. And you have the Google Maps in the center. Put it in reverse and you'll have you have a nice 360 camera and regular camera with high resolution. Bowers & Wilkins sound system with the nice speaker on top that you find in other Volvo and Polestar products. This one is finished in Onyx Black, V60 T8 all-wheel drive Polestar engineered, 2-liter turbocharged direct injected engine, 8-speed Geartronic automatic transmission, 455 horsepower, not 477 as I said, with 523 pound-feet of torque. $73,235 is the price on this vehicle. You have the really nice wheels with Continental Premium Contact 6 tires with Polestar engineered Brembo brakes, gold color. Here's your charging port to plug in. You have a nice Polestar engineered badge. It's the only Polestar engineered badge you'll find on the front. This car looks so good. Look at this thing, it's beautiful. I love station wagons. I love wagons. And I love that this is a Volvo makes wagons. You have gold seat belts. I mean, what's cooler than a performance station wagon? Polestar engineered badge back there. Here's your trunk. Fit some good, you can fit a good amount of stuff back there. Really, really nice. I've never driven a Volvo V60 T8 Polestar before, so I'm really excited. Back when this first came out, I think it was supercharged and turbocharged, but they changed it a few years ago to just be turbocharged. I think the supercharging and turbocharging would probably be problematic over time, so it's good that they changed that to just turbocharging. You do not have ventilated seats, you only have heated seats. I did think this would have ventilated seats, and I do wish it had paddle shifters. It does not have paddle shifters, which is surprising to me that a performance vehicle does not have shift paddles, because that's important to me. If I'm driving a performance vehicle, I want shift paddles. Let's see how this car drives. Oh man, this thing's fast. Very fast. Nice. So we're in Polestar engineered mode, but you can put it in hybrid mode if you want. The seats are so comfortable, as I was saying, they're amazing. You also have blind spot alert right there. Man, I would take this car all day. I love this car. It is so quick. I mean, wow. And like, these are really uncommon. Like, I've only seen that 1 or 2 on the road, and they hold their value pretty well too. So even though it is like, I would pay the 74K for a new one for sure, because like there's barely any listed nationwide pre-owned, and then they hold their value really well because of its rarity. So it makes sense. Like, if you buy this thing right, you know, put a lot of money down, do a good loan, you will have a lot of equity in this car. And you have a very unique car that you probably will never see. Most people, like literally nobody you would give a ride in your car would know what it would ever have been in one. I can guarantee that, just because of how rare it is. It is so nice. I love this car a lot. Yeah, it is extremely quick. Very enjoyable to drive, that's for sure. I do wish this car had, like, I remember when Volvos a few years ago had like that scroll wheel, had like that little wheel with like the ridges on it to change your drive mode. They don't have that anymore, which sucks, because like you have to go to the settings and then hit, you know, driving, and then change all the dynamics there. In hybrid mode, you know, you can save fuel economy, and it'll, like, you know, use some electricity and stuff. But yeah, obviously the suspension is definitely stiff in this car. You can feel the bumps. It's super comfortable, obviously, but it is a Polestar engineered product, so it's meant to be sportier. Especially in Polestar engineered mode, you'll definitely feel the bumps and stuff. But yeah, that's the territory with it, and I'm totally cool with that. I love that. I love the dual character that this car has. It's amazing. Yeah, this is a amazing car. Really enjoying this drive. It's classic Volvo in here. Everything feels amazing. Like I said, the seats, you could sit in here for hours and you will not feel uncomfortable at any point. And the acceleration is effortless. It's really good. Great job to Volvo on this car. As I said, one of my favorite vehicles on the market. I would buy this with no hesitation. I would buy this, drive it proudly, and I would drive it every single day. This is the ultimate, one of the ultimate daily drivers that you can find as a car enthusiast. Car enthusiasts really appreciate this car. As I said, most regular people will just think it's a nice looking Volvo, but yeah, car guys will all love this. A lot of car guys I talk to love this car. Those who know about it, it's just amazing. Like, the elegance in here is so sophisticated. But anyways, to conclude this video, great driving dynamics in this vehicle, very comfortable, very good looking wagon, and it's a great daily driver if you like performance vehicles. It's awesome, and I would definitely buy it. I would buy it and enjoy it. And if you're thinking about getting this car, get it. It's amazing. But thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for the 2025 Volvo V60 Polestar engineered and other Volvo products. And with that, I'll catch you on the next video.